Hey crypto friends, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, we're going to talk about some of the pros and cons of taking profits in the crypto market, simply because you guys, ever since I started my crypto YouTube channel here back in January of 2021, I've noticed that there's literally a ton of people who simply do not take profits when they should, and it causes them to actually lose money, okay? So it's very important here, you guys. So really pay attention here, okay? Now guys, before we actually go ahead and get started, if you are interested in trading and would like to go ahead and try the same exchange that I use, feel free to go ahead and try the MEXC crypto exchange right here. You can find a link to it in the description below this video. It is an awesome exchange to use. If not, hey, whatever, that's fine too. So guys, we all know that cryptocurrency is extremely volatile, okay? I mean, we literally can see price swings on a daily basis of, 5 to 10% plus on a regular basis, okay? I mean, just look at this real quick, okay? So, I mean, literally just yesterday at the time of me filming this video, now at the time of me filming this video, it's going to be different from the time that you guys are actually seeing it because I post all my videos ahead of time. But as you guys can clearly see here, you guys, I mean, just the other day, I mean, Bitcoin made a giant move of 9.5% in just a single day. And, guys, I mean, it does this on a regular basis. I mean, we had another day just, a couple weeks ago where it literally went, almost 12% in a single day. And we've had other days where, I mean, if you would have shorted something like this, I mean, let's say you were trading futures and you would have short this position right here. I mean, guys, you would have made literally over roughly around 20% or so. I mean, that's not counting the amount of leverage that you're using either. So if you're trading with leverage in the futures market or something, you could make a lot of profits here, you guys. It's insane. Okay, so guys, realistically, this market is extremely volatile, and this is why you can make a ton of money here in this market. So guys, I mean, unlike Forex or stocks, literally, you guys, double-digit gains or losses are an extremely common occurrence here in the crypto market. In fact, you guys, it's common to see your account jump up or down by literally, 2%. You can literally see it jump by like 2 to 3%, just minutes after hitting the buy or sell button, which is pretty normal, to be honest with you guys. So guys, with all that said, taking profits in crypto by following a proven crypto profit taking strategy will literally allow you to take advantage of these opportunities, you guys, and outpace any of the hodlers out there who are just buying and holding for the long term and prefer not to trade at all, you guys. So now I'm going to go over some of these pros and cons, okay, of taking crypto profits. So guys, here we go. The number one pro that you're going to have here is you'll literally multiply your earnings over time, okay? Nobody ever loses from taking profits, you guys. Number two, your overall long-term risk will be smaller, okay? It's pretty self-explanatory, you guys. The more profits you're making, the less risk you have because you're able to trade with those profits, okay? Rather than your overall principal that you started with, okay? Number three, you'll be able to take advantage of more opportunities for bigger trades as well. And number four, you'll grow a very healthy trading mindset that helps you to not be greedy with your profits, okay? This is the number one thing that I see a lot of people make mistakes on, you guys. A lot of people make this mistake, okay? There's a lot of people out there who just, they think that, here, I'll show you an example, okay? So here's an example, all right? If you got in, let's say you got in down here on Bitcoin, okay? You got in right here and you started to go up and you got to all the way to the top, okay? Let's say you didn't sell here, okay? A lot of people does this. A lot of people end up doing this. You would want to sell up here, you guys. I mean, you would legitimately want to sell up here, okay? This is the area you'd want to sell. But a lot of people ended up not selling, and they just hold on to it thinking, oh, it might go a little bit higher. It might go a little bit higher. But here's the thing, you guys. This is where the greediness comes in that I'm talking about. If you got in down here somewhere and you rode it all the way up to the top, and, that's a good solid 17% gain that you would have made within a couple days here, okay? But if you didn't sell, and you got greedy instead, thinking you might be able to squeeze a couple more percent out of it, that's the mindset that you have to change. That's literally the mindset that we're trying to change here, you guys. You cannot have that mindset because you're going to end up losing money. And like it looks like right here, we can clearly see here that it dropped right away to go back and test the support level again. So it literally dropped again. You lost out on profits, but yeah, if you kept holding it, you would have, kept, holding it and made even more going up here. But that's the thing, you guys. Most people, when it starts to drop, they'll be like, oh crap, now I'm down. So they end up selling right here instead. And then they're just, okay, well, that trade was redundant and they didn't make any money because they got greedy. So that's what I'm saying here, you guys. When it gets to the top, this is why it's important to have a very solid profit-taking strategy, okay? Here's the thing, all right? You could sell, let's say, for instance, you're in a trade and it goes up like 15%, okay? Let's say your goal is to make 15% from that trade, okay? You want to make goals for your trades, okay? If it goes up 15%, sell at 15%. If it goes up 10%, sell at 10%, okay? It's literally got to do with your own intuition, and you really can't, it's really hard to tell when you can sell and stuff like that, unless you're doing, proper technical analysis and stuff like that. But realistically here, you guys, a lot of people lose out on gains simply because they do not sell, okay? You cannot be greedy with this stuff, you guys. Nobody loses by taking profit, okay? So take profits whenever you have them, and don't get emotional if the coin keeps going up and making even more profits, okay? You got profit, that's all you need to care about. That's all you need to worry about, is you are making more money, you guys. So guys, with all that said, taking profits in crypto can honestly be extremely challenging if you don't know how and when to take them. Guys, especially if you're up by a lot and you think that you can make more. But unfortunately, you guys, developing a strong crypto profit-taking strategy isn't very difficult once you understand support and resistance, like I was mentioning earlier. Support and resistance, Fibonacci levels, pivot points, and other key fundamentals of technical analysis, which I'll be talking about more in future videos as well, since I'm going to be doing more trading videos in the near future also, you guys. My goal is to ultimately help you guys. I want to help you guys be successful, okay? So that is my ultimate reasoning for wanting to do this, you guys. I was in your guys' position at one point in time, and I didn't like being in that position. It sucked. And none of the other big YouTubers at the time wanted to have anything to do with my questions, so I want to be that guy that helps other people, okay? So that's why I'm doing this, all right? So guys, without proper understanding of these trading basics, Fibonacci, support and resistance, stuff like that, the odds of becoming successful, a successful trader and being able to take profits are greatly reduced. So keep that in mind as well. However, guys, there are a few cons of taking profits as well. Obviously they're not the types of cons you're probably thinking of, but here we go. So the very first con that you're gonna have to think about is taking profits requires an understanding of technical analysis, which many people don't have. So again, you guys, like I just said, anybody can learn anything, okay? The whole point of my channel is to teach people and educate people how to navigate the crypto space, and that's my overall goal here. So like I said earlier, you guys, I will be creating more videos in the near future talking about all these different things, okay? In addition, you guys, for number 2, the second con is taxes can really eat up your overall profits, you guys, simply because the more trades and transactions that you have, the more taxes you'll be paying overall. So this is kind of the downside, okay? This is another thing that you want to keep in mind about as well, okay? So here's the thing. If you're trading the futures market, for instance, let's say you're trading the futures market, okay? If you're trading the futures market with $100 and you're trying to make your way all the way up from $100 to $100,000, honestly, you're going to be doing so many trades to where you might end up losing in the end because you're going to end up paying out so much in taxes, okay? So it's really not going to be worth it, okay? The only time that trading, leverage and stuff like that is worth it is if you're trading a decent amount to where, and you're not making trades on a regular basis, okay? So that's another thing to keep in mind as well here, you guys. All right. It's all a matter of how much you want to deal with personally. Okay. Like I said, I'm not your financial advisor, so I can't tell you exactly what to do. I'm just guiding you and telling you, what to look out for and what to watch out for, you guys. However, you guys, don't let these cons that I just mentioned, don't let them deter you away from taking profits in the crypto market, because at the end of the day, you guys, we're all here to make these profits, okay? And if we don't take them when we have them, then we simply won't make any profits at all, you guys. So realistically here, the goal here is take your damn profits, okay? Take them, all right? Do not hesitate, all right? If you're down here, you're buying in right here. If you're buying in this candle right here, you guys, and you're holding on to it for the next 2 or 3 days, sell. Sell it right here. Don't hold on. Don't keep holding on to it thinking it might go up. Yeah, it'll go up, or yeah, it obviously did go up, but who cares? You made your profits, you guys. Whatever, right? That's the key thing here, you guys. You want to be taking your profits, all right? So guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section of my future videos.